Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the best drawing tablets for artists, designers, and creatives of all levels. Whether you're a beginner looking for an affordable option or a professional seeking a high-end device with precision and responsiveness, we've got you covered. We'll be showcasing top models that offer excellent pen sensitivity, smooth displays, and advanced features to enhance your digital artwork. Ready to find the perfect drawing tablet for your creative needs? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below.
Number 5. Huion Canvas Pro 24 4K UHD Graphics Drawing Tablet. The Huion Canvas Pro 24 4K UHD Graphics Drawing Tablet is a powerhouse for digital artists, offering an exceptional combination of display quality, precision, and versatility. This tablet is a strong contender for professionals looking for top-tier performance in their creative workflows. Display quality and size. The Canvas Pro 24 features a 23.8-inch 4K UHD 3840 by 2060 display, providing a large canvas that reduces the need for constant zooming and panning. The screen's full lamination and anti-glare glass minimize parallax and reflections, ensuring a clear and comfortable drawing experience. With a 178 degrees viewing angle, you can view your work from various positions without losing color accuracy. Color accuracy. Color accuracy is a standout feature, thanks to the quantum dot technology, which delivers a wide color gamut of 140% sRGB. The tablet also boasts a 1200:1 contrast ratio and supports HDR, providing rich and vibrant colors, deep blacks, and more natural-looking greens and reds. The 1.07 billion color display, 8-bit plus high FRC. Number 4. Artist Pro 16TP 4K UHD Multi-Touch Screen Drawing Tablet. The XP Pen Artist Pro 16TP 4K UHD Multi-Touch Screen Drawing Tablet is an exceptional tool for digital artists, combining advanced display technology with user-friendly features. This tablet is designed to deliver a seamless drawing experience with precise color accuracy and innovative design elements that make it a standout choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. Display quality and color accuracy. The Artist Pro 16TP boasts a 16-inch 4K UHD display, 3840 by 2160, with 92% Adobe RGB and 124% sRGB color gamut, ensuring vibrant and natural color reproduction. The 1001 contrast ratio further enhances the display quality, offering deep blacks and brilliant whites, which are crucial for detailed and accurate artwork. This level of color fidelity is ideal for artists who need precise color representation in their work. Innovative anti-glare technology. One of the most notable features of the Artist Pro 16TP is its advanced anti-glare glass. Unlike conventional anti-glare screens, which can be grainy and reduce image clarity, this tablet offers a non-grainy anti-glare experience. By reducing the surface roughness of the glass and minimizing particle spacing, it eliminates unwanted reflection interference without compromising on visual quality. This results in a comfortable viewing experience, reducing eye strain and allowing for longer creative sessions. Number 3. Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 Creative Pen Display. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 Creative Pen Display is a premium tool designed for professional artists and designers who demand high precision and quality. With its stunning 4K display, advanced pen technology, and an array of customizable features, this device is a top choice for those looking to elevate their digital art experience. Display quality and color accuracy. The Cintiq Pro 24 features a 24-inch 4K display, 3840 by 2060 pixels, that offers an incredibly detailed and sharp visual experience. With 99% Adobe RGB color accuracy, it delivers vibrant and true-to-life colors, essential for artists working on color-critical projects. The high-resolution display allows for precise work on intricate details without the need for constant zooming, making it ideal for professional illustration, photo editing, and graphic design. Advanced pen performance. Wacom's Pro Pen 2 is at the heart of the Cintiq Pro 24's drawing experience, providing 892 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt support, and virtually lag-free tracking. Pen's responsiveness ensures smooth transitions between lines and strokes, offering a natural drawing feel that closely mimics traditional media. The included eraser function adds convenience, allowing for seamless corrections while you work. Customizable controls. The Cintiq Pro 24 is equipped with the Express Key Remote, featuring 17 programmable buttons that can be customized to suit your workflow. In addition to the physical buttons, the on-screen. Number 2. Gaomon M10K Pro Art Digital Graphic Tablet for Drawing. The Gaomon M10K Pro Art Digital Graphic Tablet is a feature-rich drawing tablet designed for digital artists, illustrators, and designers. With its large active area, advanced stylus, and a range of customizable controls, this tablet offers a solid and affordable option for both beginners and experienced users. Large active drawing area. The Gaomon M10K Pro offers a generous 10 by 6.25-inch active drawing area, providing ample space for detailed work and broad strokes. This large surface is ideal for artists who require room to work without feeling constrained, making it suitable for a wide variety of creative projects. Battery-free stylus with tilt function. The M10K Pro comes with a battery-free stylus, AP32, that features 192 levels of pressure sensitivity. This allows for precise control over line thickness and opacity, giving artists the ability to create detailed and nuanced drawings. Stylus also supports tilt functionality, enabling natural shading and stroke dynamics that mimic traditional drawing tools. This feature is particularly useful for sketching, shading, and creating stylized artwork. Radial controller and shortcut keys. A standout feature of the M10K Pro is the inclusion of a radial controller and 10 customizable shortcut keys. The touch ring can be used for zooming, adjusting brush sizes, and scrolling through pages, enhancing workflow efficiency. Number 1. XP Pen Artist 22R Pro Large Professional Drawing Tablet Monitor. The XP Pen Artist 22R Pro is a large professional drawing tablet that provides artists with a powerful and versatile tool for digital creation. With its expansive screen, advanced pen technology, and a host of customizable features, this tablet is well suited for professionals and hobbyists looking for an upgrade in their digital art setup. Brilliant HD LCD screen. The XP Pen Artist 22R Pro features a large 21.5-inch display with 1080p resolution. This HD display provides a crisp and clear canvas for your creative work, whether you're drawing, designing, or 3D modeling. The size of the screen allows for greater freedom in working on larger projects without feeling cramped, making it an excellent choice for detailed and expansive art pieces. Richer color gamut. This drawing tablet boasts an impressive color gamut, covering 120% sRGB, 90% Adobe RGB, and 88% NTSC. This wide color range ensures that your artwork will display with vibrant and accurate colors, crucial for professionals working in fields where color precision is essential. The ability to see more nuanced color variations helps artists create more lifelike and detailed work.